Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's my great honor to be here and share Honor's development in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Honor's brand vision is to create an all-new intelligent world for every user. And Saudi Arabia is definitely our strategic market globally. In November 2023, we opened our first Honor Experience Store of Middle East in the KSA. Early this year, we established our Saudi National Warehouse and launched our official online store, providing more convenient delivery service. In this month, I'm very happy to announce that Honor will open the Jeddah exclusive service center, the first in Middle East, to further improve our service quality for KSA consumers. These milestones reflect our strong commitment to providing our best products and services to KSA consumers. Our confidence in the future prospects of KSA market and determination to develop here is growing strong. Our investment commitment will be over $100 million, and we firmly believe KSA market will be our key growth engine for high-quality development from both business perspective and ESG perspective. And we cannot wait to bring our best innovations to the KSA consumers. And today, I'm very excited to announce the launch of our latest flagship product, the Honor Magic 6 Pro, to Saudi Arabia market. It is also our first regional launch of Honor's flagship product. With higher performance, stronger durability, faster Falcon camera, and smarter operating system, we believe Magic 6 Pro will bring smartphone experience to the next level. Let's have a quick look. Magic 6 Pro, enabled by platform-level AI, can greatly improve your daily efficiency. For example, when you get a message, let's say for a dinner invitation, and you want to call a taxi, you can simply long press the message and drag it to the sidebar. Magic 6 Pro can automatically figure out your intention, activate the relevant application, fill in the precise location information. You don't need to copy, paste, or edit, or manually choose edit services and shuffling different apps. All you need is just one single drag. Let's take a look. Isn't this amazing? You don't need any lengthy works. Traditionally, taking iOS, for example, you need 8 steps to achieve the same goal in the same user scenario. As you can see, Magic 6 Pro's intent-based UI can greatly improve your daily efficiency. We give this Magic experience a new name, Magic Portal. The Falcon camera of Magic 6 Pro is born for photography, bringing an industry-leading full SIM and full focus sport capture experience. As you can see, the photo comparison, no matter its facial clarity, color rendering, or blurring treatment during the high-speed motion, Magic 6 Pro outperforms the iPhone 15 Pro Max in all aspects. This spectacular performance of Falcon camera also benefit from our platform-level AI capability. And we'll give it a name, AI Motion Sensing Capture. Now, let's watch a small video to get a sense of it. Thank you. Enabled by Honor's platform-level AI, Honor's magic ring technology makes it much easier to achieve cross-system collaboration. Any device joining the magic ring, no matter its phone, PC, tablet, TV, or even wearables, can become a central device and share hardware and software resources like files, screens, keyboards, mouses, or even cameras with each other, bringing an unprecedented, seamless experience to consumers. In this AI era, Honor's AI-empowered all-scenario strategy aims to bring revolutionary user experience through human-centric innovation, intent-based AI platform, and cross-OS collaboration, bringing an all-new intelligent world to every user. Thank you. Thank you very much.